Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you finish a deal but don't want to delete the conversation? Archiving marketplace messages helps you clean your inbox without losing that chat. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to archive marketplace messages in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what's archiving messages means? So archiving allows you to clean your inbox, keep deal history, reduce clutter, and stay organized after transactions. So perfect for completed marketplace sales. So first thing first, open Messenger. Okay, so or tap the Messenger icon inside Facebook. So I will tap the Messenger icon inside Facebook now. So now I am in the messages or the conversations that I have in my marketplace Messenger. So marketplace messages are stored, all of them here. So scroll through your inbox, locate the marketplace chats, look for the item thumbnail preview. On mobile, press and hold the conversation, okay, like this, or you can just swipe left like this and tap we have here many options. We have more, we have mute, we have archive. So I can now tap archive. Okay, so this is on mobile. On desktop, hover over the chats, click the three dots and select archive chat. So chat disappears from the main inbox. It moves to archived folder. Okay, so I will show you. Just tap here, okay, and it disappears. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.